Pumirma ng isang Memorandum of Agreement ang GMA Network at Caritas Manila. Layo nitong mapalawig ang Segunda Mana campaign ng charitable institution. Kasama sa MOA signing sina GMA Network Vice President and Head of Corporate Affairs and Communications Angel Javier Cruz, First Vice President of the Supply Asset and Management Department Vicky Aradaza, at Acting Head of ICT Department Edwin Jimenez. Para naman sa Caritas Manila, kasama sina Executive Director Father Anton Pascual at Financial Stewardship Division Head Ray Zotomayor. Pagkatapos ng MOA signing, nagbigay ang GMA ng gadgets sa Caritas Manila. Sabi ni Father Anton, malaking tulong ang gadgets para sa kanilang mga pinag-aaral.
We are very pleased with this partnership because we have several things in common, no, Caritas Manila and GMA. Both our organizations are deeply rooted in faith. If you know, at the top of our core values in GMA is we place God above all.
We have something in common, our love for the poor, and that's why we have this Segunda Mana. At ang number one beneficiary of our Segunda Mana, donation in kind, are our Wise Step Scholars. No? We believe that education is the great social equalizer. If you want to eradicate poverty totally, education is the key.
Balita ko, may tututukan kayo tuwing 10:30 a.m. sa GTV. Alamin ang mahalagang balita at impormasyong dapat nyong malaman sa Balita Ko tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Mag-subscribe din sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube.